tactically say na Ghana go no e fa so buy Thomas ni so semenyo ni so right obi di semenyo echipe and obi so di ni nchempe eye opponent no but Thomas sporty abrantie we say yirenchi or sporty yirenchi e wa ha say eno hu say so the ball no etimi efa we hu de ma yirenchi ho no ma yirenchi betimi aka ball no de ato atenem eno e na kofa goal ni buy. All right, ebusia de me ye enye football analysis and me buy say me ba be chro sene what the vMix e de be football analysis sene me sporty players no e wo field in this no obetimi de vMix e de aye the same thing. Okay, a vMix software and I may use opponent no and ma apeki no hono to some percent me can send be fan who am me I understand. Me use smartphone and I may a control. Okay, opesa oba which betimi aba which okay betimi aba which say opesa uyini nyina so free so betimi eyini nyina e di free so picture we am that to I say picture we say may they serve as me. Okay, as nipa na oye analysis no aha say so serve as the video na oye analysis no e was no. Okay, so preset we say mu nyina no e available. In fact a premium preset a ma hye perfect a which me download di na also you see for your production either vMix and say OBS. E wo premium titles be brave which me use premium template. Okay, ya sha da hye ama wa obey the tikeke na which me use enti ame MBA we kran fan kira wade. So o sha say we maybe the same thing our computer so nti when you see phone na make me use the same computer na a different computer na me dey analysis no. Okay, nti here ade me MPK we say me fa way and then you can see say me sporty we say like this make me I say like this. Okay, me so say kala na bet me aba say na wasesa na no so what they are build or point pepe so what you say sanity viewers and so no be hu no fe sene wo kasa fa ho ne sene wo ye no nti ma menchira why ma menchira tentem ha say eye Obitech solutions ebusia de wo me say vMix 28 and na wo de be ye de ene ye ba be ye no se we need vMix 28 ni bia obe send a DM na ma send a link na they download be. So we here YouTube nso a obe here video description na say link in the ho no wa click so e dey download the vMix 28 no. Installation guide ni wom hwenefa install we a afi yen share tutorial no ase. You be any clicking on add inputs. E wo ase pa no obe hu ade we say illustrator click so. E wo de animu no color ye green or ha say no. Wo de animu na be red. Inti click so na click okay ebeba o production ni mo and the title no e de illustrator eno ni okay right it is so sure overlays na won ho no na wa ma no overlay ni ba kon meme de no ma click one into split me click any bia o pe bia okay afi we wi ni say no ma yenko settings ni mo click output /NDI/SRT. Click multi-view one so. Never click we so. Box kesiye ba kunya wahi. Click so. We are no clicking on okay. Afi ye send ye benya output no e wo ye phone so. Ko settings so back. Na click web controller. When we link ye ha say. Sa address we say. Bone pepe e fa share or browser. Either say we use phone and I say we use tablet and a laptop and a desktop computer. Browser bia we use bia no, but address we say passion pepe. Ti ma men copy media na men close for now. Right. Ebusia ansa na ye beto aso no. My premium live production templates. We mu nyina ka ho teka buy ni nyina ka ho pesa o download dia. Obetimi a download di e dose bebre na we use. We live way our say ubetimi use for your programs we multi-view baby a ketwa day ni baby akesi ni nyina already made template, very beautiful template how ubetimi a download the test ahodo bebre animated test bebre I mean lower third doors bebre ena wom and what bebre na wom also ubetimi a download the no you see for production we mu nyina already made and when I say what pictures keke na what they ahihim. Look, all these tests are available in the presets. Okay, a wobetumi download na we use wobɛhwɛ video description na se ɛwɔ mu na wotumi use wohwɛ sa squeeze back ya me de vMix title designer me de ye ni nyina available ɛwɔ preset ni mu nti onso betumi download na we use all these templates ni nyina already made. Okay, say on pair background na wotumi sesa on pair border na wotumi sesa ni nyina editable wobetumi asesa na we use ne opebia. Okay, we mu nyina available ɛwɔ template ni mu a wobetumi use a lot mintumi enka ni nyina ɛwɔ video we same so person will download me preset na wa download ɛwɔ video description na say wa send a DM na ma send e de amount so hwe we ya bi a wo ye talent show bi a utumi use this kind of template na no so we use. Okay, all right, into we see my ento so about address in share browser ni mu a de ekoso ɛwɔ ahabia no the same thing na be koso ɛwɔ or browser nim. Okay, it is be okay my main choose way enyina I play this one ni nyina kese ni nyina. Okay, na me pause ni say yanko browser nim hwe ti sabe say wo ye analysis na click ade we say so right o click we so a we o click so a na wa select the media person wo de ye emphasis no se bia we ya o select we ya na wa drag e de afa nipa ne so like this say na wo de build your point say opeso sa color na wo click so bi mo na wa click color kone so na no so no na wa drag e de afa nipa ne so na wo de build your point. Okay, it yemfa ne say me pure analysis met me aka say e bia sa player we say na e was kono so fast no to america e baby in case say ball no try you in chia ti senka ball or no ba bia ball no try you in chikra na nka ono ba beto ball no say ha no it me aka dey atonet but ono so ogina ho minimum ni ogina ho a oji e na sa player we say player na not or attack Thomas no ono so wan bon ho modin ho gina attack Thomas no wan bon ho modin yi bon ho modin a nka pass no entimi go through but the basi the dantino sa na ba Ghana etimi enya go e dey free Panama for right into busia say na ba ya o de ba ye of football analysis World Cup mremu mra football eguso koso wiase dane den nyina use smartphone na 5 years ade ameye and I say use tablet and I use a laptop and a desktop computer. All right, only vMix 2018 and was send a DM and also download it from the video description or so show YouTuber so we have preset na live production preset na with premium template with premium titles and tickets and nyuma be breno obe send a DM and also download the video description or ase no it may use no production so I guy me do see e be share videos na edi training mo back on my crowd for now.